Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you an installation video for Dazuma's vintage-style LED pillar lamp. The product package includes one bag of expansion screws, one instruction manual, one product remote control, one product unit. First, remove the two mounting screws from the solar panel cover. Remove the solar panel cover. Remove the protective bag from inside the product's lampshade. The product's lampshade also features a custom light slot where you can install your own light bulbs. Then place the product where you intend to install it and mark the 4 holes on the base. Then drill holes in the areas you just marked. Please install the 4 expansion screws from the screw pack into the holes. Remove the 2 retaining rings and 1 cap from the expansion. Bolt and store them safely. Connect the power cord on the product's base to your push and quick connect terminal. Then position the product over the screw and secure it in place. Reinstall all the parts, the 2 retaining rings and 1 nut from the expansion. Bolt you removed earlier in the order shown in our demonstration. Here we show you how to install your own light bulbs. You can install the light bulbs you brought with you into the custom light slots we provided. Reinstall the solar light cover, making sure to align it with the openings on the cover and the openings above the lampshade. Reinstall the mounting screws for the top cover that you removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.